dark cloud must be a rain cloud.
Look at all those raindrops.
Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot of raindrops.
Paz, Pig, can you give me some help over here?
Sounds like someone needs our help.
Big power!
Penguin power! Big Penguin, we're here to help.
Good. I'm trying to fix this leaky tap. Could you two watch the tap while I check out the pipes down below?
No problem.
Okay, I'll lift you up. Okay, you just tell me if the water stops dripping.
Look at all those water drops. They're so round.
I like the sound they make. Splip. Splip.
Splip.
It's raining hard out there. Splip, splip.
It's like the whole sky is a leaky tap. I wonder where all those raindrops go.
I don't know, Paz. If I was a raindrop, I could tell you.
If we were raindrops, then we'd know where all those raindrops go. So this is what it's like to be a raindrop.
Alright! Just like a raindrop.
We're gonna find out where raindrops go. Whee! Look, it's Pappy's house. I think we're gonna land on it.
Touchdown!
Whee! We're going down. Whoa!
Wow! Where are we now?
Looks like a slide for raindrops.
Oh no!
We gotta get out of the way, or those leaves will stop our raindrops. Wow! Being a raindrop is cool.
Where are we going now?
I don't know. Wow! Where are we?
It's green, and it has lots of little lines in it.
It's round, like a circle. It's like a little green world.
Green, round, soft. I know what it is. It's a leaf. We are on a plant.
Wow! First the clouds, then the roof, down the slide, onto a plant. Raindrops go everywhere.
More raindrops. Hold on tight, Paz.
Goodbye, raindrops.
Hey, look!
Wow! All the water's going into the ground.
Look at that!
Our plant likes the water. Hey, it's drinking the water. Just like when you water a plant with a watering can.
I guess our plant was pretty thirsty.
I'm thirsty too.
Well, it looks like I don't have the right tools to fix it. The tap's still leaky.
That's okay, Big Penguin. I like it.
Yeah, look at all those drops of water.
Well, I know it's fun, but we still have to stop the water from leaking. I'll be right back. I need different tools.
It's still raining.
All those raindrops.
Going on all those adventures.
Down
And down.
Flip.